This neutralization is very useful for us. If we understand it, we can use it in our daily life. Now, of course, you know that stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It is essential to kill germs and also to make medium acidic for the digestion of proteins, isn't it? But as they say, excess of everything is bad. So, sometimes when we eat spicy and fatty food, oily food, then or even when we are tense and there is anxiety, then there is too much of acid produced. This causes acidity. You must have heard about it. There are so many ads about acidity, especially for Eno. Now, what happens when there is acidity? There is burning sensation. It is a kind of indigestion. So, what is taken? What is Eno? What is milk of magnesia? Or what is soda bicarb? Both milk of magnesia and Eno, they have bases. So, these bases, they neutralize acid and the burning sensation goes off. In fact, soda bicarb, which is actually a salt, is also useful because it is a sodium salt and sodium salts are basic in nature. So, they also help. If you do not have Eno at home, not to worry, you can just take a little of soda bicarb. But do not take sodium carbonate, that is washing soda, and it will be very bitter in taste. It will also cause further indigestion and loose motions. So, you can take soda bicarb, but not sodium carbonate. Soda bicarb is also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, one way of getting rid of acidity is taking bases. If nothing is available, you can even take or drink lot of water. That will also make the acid at least dilute. So, one advantage of understanding the neutralization reaction is that you can remove the acidity. So, first was acidity. Second is, has ever an ant, especially the brown ant, stung you? My God, it is so painful. There are rashes on our skin. Why so? Because actually when ants sting, they release formic acid. So, again what you can do is, you have to neutralize the formic acid. How you can do? Just put a little of sodium bicarbonate. In this case, you can even put a soap and the sting will or the pain will go away. Third is soil treatment. You know, when fertilizers are used, then the soil becomes acidic or basic in nature, and in both the cases it is not good for agriculture. So, if the soil is very acidic, then what you can add is acidic soil plus quicklime, tuna as it is called, because this is when it will dissolve in water, it will become calcium hydroxide, and so the acidity of the soil will be reduced. But what if the soil is basic? Then what you add is manure or the organic matter, because organic matter secretes acids, and obviously these acids will neutralize the base, and so the soil will become again neutral and good for agriculture.